I'm going to be teaching you how to apply your eyeshadow. Well, I like, there's a different eyeshadow, like a different look you want for your eyeshadow. We have a baboon face, we have a nude, and we have a smoky eye look. Well, I love it, very nude face, a nude eyeshadow. So there we go. This is what I'm using. I hope you guys will just be wondering what I've been doing to my face without been talking. I'm very sorry. I'm just trying to apply this to my crease in order to make the eyeshadow pop out well. That's what I'm doing just now. So I'm going to be using my concealer, though you can use an eyeshadow primer, but I'm using my own. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer for my eyelid. Like I said earlier on, I'm going to be doing a nude eye. I'm going to be using this color to my eyelid. This is, I'm blending my eyeshadow with my crease, the one in my lid to my crease. You blend so well. Yeah, this is my own nude eye that I make for myself. So I love it this way. So I'm gonna be using my eyeliner to define my eye in order to pop it out. So I'm using my eyeliner now. Now that I've applied my eyeliner, you can decide to go out this way, but I'm going to apply this black pencil to my inner ring. Now that I've applied the eyeliner to my eyelid and to the down, you can see the difference between the two eyes. This eyeshadow, you see this popping out, this with eyeshadow and this without the eyeshadow. You can see the difference between the two eyes. If you will have applied your foundation and your powder to your face, by now I'm very sure your face will have been popping out. So that is it on eyeshadow. Thank you.